This could be the view from your apartment right here in Kingston, and this isn't even a penthouse. Yeah, so this is the view from one of Kingston's newest high-rise developments currently under construction. Where I'm standing is about the 6th floor. They will be going all the way to 19 floors on this one. Stick around and I will tell you a bit more about this complex. So hey man, thank you for stopping by, checking out this video. My name is Ariel. I'm a licensed realtor here in Jamaica, and I help my clients with buying and selling properties here. So if that is something that you are interested in getting into, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. You can get me at 876-553-4246. WhatsApp, call me, that's fine. I'll leave some contact details in the description so you can always reach out to me. And if you're interested in learning about real estate in Jamaica, consider subscribing to the channel, hitting that post notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I post a video. And stay in the know. A lot of things happening in Jamaican real estate. There is a lot of debate on it, but we really have quality product on the world stage. So it's always, I think it's a good investment for us to invest in our real estate here. And this one is definitely going to be one for the books. Alright, here we on the outside looking on current progress. Yeah. Crane still in the air. This is what we're looking at so far. So the skyline of Kingston is definitely changing. This development is one that is gonna, I guess, be at the forefront. There are quite a few other high-rises slated to come up. This 19-story unit is gonna be maybe one of the first. So this is, I guess, a part of history that we're working on now. So again, it's approved for 19 stories. You will have 2 basement levels, which will be primarily parking. I'll give you a little roundup of where that is and what it looks like. And we're going all the way up. Again, 19 floors. You have pretty wonderful views. As you're seeing, and for most of what you'll see here is probably up to 6 or 7 floors. The views are impressive. I can only imagine we get all the way up to the top. There will be a whole floor, 9th floor, 10th floor thereabout, that will have recreational facilities. So you'll have a convenience store, you'll have a spa, a bar area, an infinity pool, and I can only imagine what that view is going to look like being all the way on the 10th floor. And being the side that it's on, I don't expect that side to have any approvals for any high-rise building anytime soon. A lot of the structures in that purview are complexes that are already built, 1 or 2 stories, plus a lot of commercial complexes, large commercial structures. For those who can think about it, Tropical Plaza, Central Plaza, a lot of that is in that way. So you can see all the way out to pretty much the harbor. Try to give you some of that so you can see it. There will be elevators here, of course, stairways on either side. The space requirements, so the 1 bedrooms will be from 747 square feet to about 847. The other set of rooms, there will be one set with 1477 square feet and another set of units with 2,000, almost 2,100 square feet, if memory serves me correctly. But I'll leave that information in the description. I'm quoting off the top of my head right now. And you will have the flexibility to do a lot with the space. Drywall, kind of building it out to your needs. I think that this construction is going to shape a lot of what this area is looking like. And for anybody who has any apartment complexes in and around New Kingston, the Kingston 10 area, now is a good time to hold on to them because of the new development order that's kind of coming into space, you will see a lot of high-rise going up. There is a large debate on it, but with those complexes, also mean a rise in the price of your units that you currently have. So hold on to them a little bit more, watch the space, pay attention to the news, and see what the construction plans are, the development plans are. It's gonna be good. There is a lot of debate, and I want to know what you guys think about a lot of this development. Put it in the comments, let me hear it. Some of the main thoughts is around the traffic pileup that will be here, and my answer to that, or my instant response to that, is in almost any urban center in the world there is traffic. There really is. It's hard to get around that. The reality is that's the core of commerce, that's the core of where people want to stay and work and entertain. So there's going to be an influx of people, irrespective. We won't like it because as a country this is new to us, but it is coming, and we should best try to embrace it as much as we can, especially for those persons who are very hard spent on wanting to live in Kingston. This is now your new reality. You're gonna have to stick with this and understand that this is the case. This is also a very good time for persons to consider places outside of Kingston. The prices have already started to go up, but it is still a good time to, for example, invest in St. Thomas, invest in areas in St. Catherine. St. Catherine still has a lot of land that is now being developed. A lot of developers are going there. Now is a good time to hold on to something there. Those will probably be the only spaces that you will have bungalow type houses with land space. So this is a precautionary tale. But hey, let's check it out. I'm going to show you a quick span of the different units so you can get an idea, a look at the outside, and where we are. Okay, stick around. Alright, so we are on the 4th floor. Here you're looking at where the elevator shafts will be. Behind the elevator shafts, just pure glass, so you'll be able to enjoy all of that view going all the way up, which should be a really wonderful view. Right here we'll have the staircase for those who want to avoid the elevators. Good luck with that. On this floor and maybe another 6 to 8 floors, there are going to be 6 units on these floors. So these floors will have these 4 units on this side, or 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 units on this side with an average of 747 square feet. There are 2 units down here, and those will average 1477 square feet. And this unit behind us, which has maybe the commanding views, this is going to be just under 2,100 square feet. So let's take a little span around on this, just what this 747 square feet look like. So let's kind of paint the imagery. All right, so you're coming in, your kitchen area is going to be on this side, so you'll have the sink, your stove, and built-ins, so cutouts will be there. All of that will be on that side. On this side, drywall will help to put it all together, so you will have a powder room here, and your washroom will also be tucked away on this side, and a drywall will in essence kind of separate this and give you your one bed over in that corner, and it will also lead out to your balcony. So this will be your balcony. The sheeting is there to kind of limit the dust for the surrounding residents, but again, this is going to be your view, and this will be the bathroom for this unit. That's the span of the 747 square feet. Alright, and let's take a look at what 1,500 square foot will give you. Alright, so let me try to put it in context for you. So you step in, just coming through your entry door. Kitchen will be here, so you can envision the fridge. Piping is already here for it. The sink, stove, things of that nature on this side. Based on the current plan, there will be drywall kind of coming down on this side here, so you'll have a pantry tucked away right in this side, right across from your kitchen. Right here will also be bounded off, and you'll have your laundry area. You can have your stackable unit. It will be wide enough for them to be side by side, or tall enough for them to be stacked high. And right here you'll have a powder room, so guests can come in, do their thing, and won't invade in your space. Now, this space that we're looking at will also have a drywall. So drywall is more than likely gonna go straight down that side and give you a 1-bedroom unit here. So I'm gonna follow the layout plan. So there will be a doorway here. What we're looking at right ahead will be your closet. This will be the bedroom space pretty much. We come in here, which is where your bathroom will be. Dual vanity already in, the loo, and your shower. And of course, you can put up your TV on the wall that will be here. Gotta use your imagination, guys. And it's going to open up to your balcony, so you'll have some view. And again, thinking about what's happening on this stretch, I don't expect it to be interrupted. These are well-established communities. These won't be moving anytime soon. Alright, so coming out of your bedroom, you'll be pretty much in the living room space. So this will be the living room. Got a large glass window here, letting in a lot of natural light. And the living room will also pan out on a balcony. Nice, I think I like that flow. Stepping this way will give you another bedroom. So this bedroom, pretty much this, that will be cornered off to give you your shower. And this room will also have a balcony. Not as grand as what the primary one will have, but again, from this angle, we won't have much disturbances in terms of a view. And this one is kind of tucked away, yeah, this one is tucked away. So that's what almost 1,500 square foot will give you. All right, so let's check out what a little bit under 2,100 square foot will give you. So these units are pretty much to the front of the building, so I think they'll command a very nice view. I'm gonna have to turn on the imagination now. I'm gonna paint the image of what you could do with this using drywall, of course. So right here, could drywall this off, get your door here, and this gives you a room. Yeah, this could give you a room. Boundary that off, put your bathroom there, toilet and things like that. Closet in the corner here, and this would actually give you a balcony. Yeah, you could step out on your balcony and get a little view. Again, we are still on the 4th floor, so and I'm still using my imagination, so I'm going through the imaginary door back into what could be that living room open concept. On this stretch here, maybe even a little counter coming that far out, you'll have your kitchen. So the built-ins, everything will be there. You could get yourself an island right here, get some bar stools, have your living room kind of centered in this area right here. If pretty big size couch, mount your TV on the wall. Probably have another little eating nook here with a semi-formal kind of dining space. Storage cabinet there, and there will be be about 2 sliding doors here. Yeah, so that will give you access to step right out onto, again, your balcony. This is all you can take advantage of all of that. Coming down a little bit more, you'll have your laundry area here. Piping is already there, and you could get potentially maybe another 2 rooms, but again, this is all you, I'm thinking. So, you know, put a boundary here. You have 1 bedroom here, and 1 would be somewhere about that side with their own ensuite bathroom each side. I could even put a closet in the middle. So sadly these won't have walkout balconies, but they could have Juliet balconies, so you could always open those windows and let it come right in. But that's what you're looking at for, you know, a little under 2100 square feet. Doesn't look like it now, but this is some of the provision for parking, and it does extend to down this side. And goes straight down. Pretty high ceiling. Yeah, this is it. High-rise in Kingston. Did a tour of this one when it was going up. Genesis 28. Check the channel. Behind there, that's Parkhurst. Of course, 20 South, which some may argue started this all in this area. But this one is going up. Target completion date's gonna be Christmas 2023. Okay guys, so as it continues to take shape, you know, right here behind me. So if you are interested in kind of buying into this development, let me know. Again, I'll leave some details in the description where you can get some further info. Of course, you can reach out to me. For context, again, the 747 square feet units start at 225,000 US. The 1477 square feet, those start at 324,000 US. And the larger units, just a little bit shy of 2,100 square feet, those start at 360,000 US. So, if you're looking to invest in Jamaica, this really is a good option. At the time of this recording, which is early January, they are just about 70% sold out, about 68% thereabout. Sales where it started for early persons were quite interested from early, so as soon as the opportunity presented itself, so persons jumped in. So there is still some opportunity. If you definitely want to jump in, now is the time. Yeah, this is it. So thanks for checking out the video. Stick around for the next one. Again, consider subscribing to the channel if you want to know more about Jamaican real estate. And don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need some help selling a property, sourcing a property. I'm your guy. All right.